Why your pain moves from one body part to another. Doctors rarely explain this. 1 month it's your neck, next month your shoulder, then suddenly your lower back. Same pain, new location. Doctors say, nothing serious. But deep down, you know something isn't right. So why does pain move? Relatable story. Let me tell you about Sarah. She woke up one morning with knee pain. She rested, took medicine. The pain slowly faded. But 2 weeks later, her hips started hurting, then her back, then her neck. X-rays were normal. MRI was mostly fine. Doctors blamed posture, age, or stress. But no one explained why the pain kept changing places. The truth most people never hear. Here's the part doctors rarely explain. Pain does not always come from injured muscles or joints. Pain comes from your brain and nervous system. Your brain's main job is protection. When it senses danger, physical or emotional, it turns on pain like an alarm. But when stress lasts too long, poor sleep, anxiety, fear, the nervous system becomes oversensitive. And once that happens, pain doesn't need damage and miss why pain moves around. When one body part feels safer, the brain may reduce pain there, but the nervous system is still on high alert. So the brain looks for another area to protect, another muscle, another joint. That's why pain can move from back to neck, shift from left side to right, disappear in one place and appear in another. Same alarm, different location. Why tests often look normal. Medical scans are great at finding damage, but they don't measure nervous system overload, emotional stress stored in the body, chronic fight or flight mode. So doctors say, everything looks fine, but your nervous system says, I'm still under threat. Signs this is happening to you. You may notice pain changes location but feels familiar. Pain worsens during stress or worry. Pain eases when you're relaxed or distracted. Rest and medicines help only temporarily. This pain is real. It's not in your head. It's in your nervous system. What actually helps? If pain keeps moving, the goal isn't to chase every new body part. The goal is to calm the system. What helps? Slow, deep breathing, gentle movement without fear, reducing stress and overthinking, teaching your brain that your body is safe. When the brain feels safe, the pain alarm slowly turns off. So if your pain keeps traveling around your body, don't feel broken. Don't feel helpless. Your body is communicating, not failing. Comment reset if you want the next video on calming your nervous system naturally. Like, subscribe, and follow Pain-Free Living, where pain relief starts with understanding.